Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, November 4th, 2019. Taking a look at our homework video for this evening. In math, we've got practice 3.4. Honors Math has practice 3.5 with the Chapter 2 test on Wednesday. All students in 6th grade have to get 30 minutes worth of MobyMax done by Friday for math. In Science and Social Studies, there is no homework this evening. In Language Arts, we have a worksheet called the Writing Process Secret Message. This is where you're doing a reverse letter code to sit there and unscramble the message. In literature, half our error points are due 1 week from today. Some of you are in a very good spot. Others have quite a bit of work to do. We also have our vocabulary test this Friday. You need to go through and use Quizlet as well as any of your other resources to study and prepare for that. In CNL and FCS, there is no homework. That is going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Monday.